Assalamu alaikum dear friends. Today I am going to show you how to make attendance sheet in Microsoft Excel. So first you have to design the attendance sheet and then we will put some Visual Basic code in the background. So let me design the attendance sheet. Okay, it's ready now. Now here in the status cell, you have to select the cell, then go to data, and then go to data validation, and then select the list option and write three options here: updated and pending and clear, separated by a comma, and press enter. Now you see that we have these options: updated, pending and clear from the list. Okay, I'm going to highlight this cell so that everybody can see this is something different here. Okay, now you have to work in the developer tab. Now how to get the developer tab? Click file, then click option, then go to customize ribbon, and here you can check the developer tab. If you uncheck the developer tab, you will get this developer option here, and then you can go to view code option, take worksheet, and its event is going to be selection change event. Okay, now we are going to write the code. We are going to use two loops, okay, one for columns and the second one for rows. So the columns are like C, D, E, F, G, and one this is third column, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh. So we have the columns from 3 to 7, and we have the rows from 5 to 14 here in this sheet. Okay, so rows are from 5 to 14 and columns are from 3 to 7. So these two loops we are going to use to print the letter P for present, letter A for absence, and letter L for leaves. Okay, so I'm going to use two variables here. Let's say that they are X and Y. For X is equal to 3 to 7, this is for column, and for Y is equal to 5 to 14, this is for rows. If sheet 1 dot cells Y comma X, here Y is for columns, Y is for rows, and X is for column, is equal to empty, then in the same cell sheet 1 dot cells Y comma X, we are going to print the letter P and if and to next. This is first next and this is second next. This is for loop. We are using two loops, so we need to write the next two times. Okay, so now this is okay, this is going to work, but we have to do one more thing. which is that this cell, it is B3 3 comma and second column. Okay, so now come back to this code. If sheet 1 dot cells 3 comma B or 3 comma 2, both are going to work, is equal to updated, then this code is going to be executed. And now again, if sheet 1 dot cells 3 comma B is equal to clear, then the same loop we are going to use it again. So I'm just I will copy and paste it. This time we have to clear the cells, so I just I will leave this empty. Okay, and that's it. So now let's check it. If it's clear and I click here, see that all the cells are clear. If it's updated, everything, like all these cells will be filled with P. Sorry. Okay, let's keep this. First clear this, and then keep this pending. And you can write A or L or whatever you want to write. Then we have to write the formula to find the presence, the absence, and the leaves. So it's going to be is equal to countif, then the range is going to be from C5 to G5. Then we are counting P. Okay, and just copy and paste this. Here it is going to be for absence, so I'm going to change with A. Here paste again and change with L this time, L for leaves, and select them and drag them. Okay, and then remarks. Let's say that if is equal to if cell containing the present is G5. Okay. G5 is greater, less than, or let's make it less than equal to 2. Then low attendance, otherwise okay. Close this. And also go to conditional formatting, cell rules equals to low. If it's low, then it's going to highlight them. So now if I update this, click here, you see that it is changed. Okay, once again let's clear this for the new students or for the new week. So pending A, absent, leave, absent, absent, and leave, absent, leave, leave. Okay, now if I update this, all I have to do is just click the update and click anywhere. Now you can see that this is working. Alright, so I hope you like this, and I'm going to provide the link in its description. You can download it from there. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.